What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this update on the Rndr token. Rndr is the name of the token, as most of you know. Wanted to do a quick update on that because, well, all our price targets have been reached, new bullish momentum got into the markets, so here we are. As most of you know, or at least I think so, last price target was around 1.6. Which yesterday, when we had the interest rate decision coming out in the evening, we actually reached. Before that, we already reached 1.5. We already broke above that, so 1.6 was my last price target. I think we would have found a little bit more resistance there if the market was not as bullish as this, because right now there's just a lot of bullish momentum because of the effects of that interest rate decision and the press conference afterwards. Obviously, that's not something to worry about too much. But right now, as you can see, we're technically, by breaking above 1.6, we got to our major resistance level right here, between 1.75 and $2, where our main target really is between 1.85 and 1.9. That's really the middle of the level and also the strongest level. So in this video, I just wanted to explore whether we can get there. Now, a little bit about Rndr. If you take a look at right now, if you take a look at the volume, you can still see that some of the volume is not coming from the most reliable sources. I never like a lot of percentage of the volume coming from Hotcoin or from BTC Turk. And there are some other minor volume sources as well, which are not 100% reliable. Then if you take a look at the price movements, you can also see right here that it's not ideal. 10% of the daily volume coming into the price in 5 minutes, that indicates whale behavior, right? So obviously, as most of you know, there have been positive developments around Rndr, and it's a real project. It has real value and real utility. And lately, what they have done is a proposal went through about the burn mint equilibrium being implemented. So that went through, and that's coming as well. So that's bullish for Rndr as well. But we just have to keep in mind that there's probably some sort of a manipulation going on with Rndr right now. All right, just so we all know. But for now, because of the bullish momentum in the markets, I actually do think that we'll be able to get higher than this. 1.75, as I said, it's a resistance level, but it's historically not that strong. So what I expect for now is that we'll find some resistance here, drop down to 1.6, perhaps even shoot down towards 1.5. That wouldn't really matter in my opinion. I think even though I think we'll find support at 1.6 still, but just so you know, I think we'll drop down, and then from there I think we'll be able to, somewhere in the next few days, at the very last, somewhere in the weekend, get up towards 1.85 and 1.9, and from there we'll see again. I think there's a small chance that we'll spike down to $2, but I think breaking above this entire level, so let's just for simplicity say between 1.85 and $2, is going to be a heck of a lot more difficult than breaking through 1.75 and all of the breakouts we've had during the day, during the last week or so. So that's the most interesting part. For now, I think we can get there, but breaking through that, yeah, that's something for future me to analyze and future me to really explore. I think we can, if we really have sustained bullish momentum in the markets, but also that I think, for example, that Bitcoin is going up to 25,000. I think Rndr, if Rndr would follow that, we would go up to 1.9 and $2. What I also expect, even if Bitcoin doesn't go to $25, that's what I would expect. But to really break above $2 with Rndr, we would either need massive manipulation of the price, or we need to see Bitcoin break above 25,000, and that's a very strong level and something that we haven't done in a very, very long time. So that's something for the future, but for now, this is my take on Rndr. If you do have any questions, let me know, but for now, take care and bye.